I'm going to show you how to make a 2-minute strawberry protein cheesecake. First step, add in your oats. Then you're going to add in some ground cinnamon. Sprinkle that on top. Take your spoon and give that a good mix. You'll add in a teaspoon of avocado oil. Pour that on top. And add a splash of water, giving that a nice mix. With the back of your spoon, you'll flatten that out. This is going to be the crust for your cheesecake. You'll place that in the microwave for 45 seconds. Next step, you're going to add in 45 grams of the Highway Revolution cookies and cream protein. This will go right into your blender. You'll add in 175 grams of cottage cheese, 2%. Place that in the blender. You'll mix those two ingredients on a low speed for approximately 25 to 30 seconds. You should have a nice and creamy consistency. You'll spread that evenly over top of your crust. You'll want to cover the entire crust with the cheesecake mix. Next step is you're going to add in your no sugar added strawberry jam. You'll place this in a microwave safe bowl. I like to dilute this with a little bit of water for a thinner consistency. Place that in the microwave for 25 seconds. And you're going to spread that evenly over top. And it should look just like this. Final step is you're going to add in your frozen strawberries. You can use your berries of choice, frozen or fresh. You'll place that in the refrigerator overnight and enjoy. Thanks for watching.